This course is probably the only course of this type in intermediate accounting. And there is a good reason for that. Intermediate accounting contains too many difficult concepts that are not only difficult to understand, but very hard to explain. I think that this course breaks that ice and offers you simple and easy to understand explanations of those concepts. During the course, you have to be engaged and focused to learn the material. Well, I don't think you will have any problem with that given how the videos were made. The videos were made short, just to keep your attention. This does not mean that you should not replay them and take notes. Quite the opposite. Take notes and replay until you get every single piece of information provided in those video lectures. I usually have 4 types of students on these platforms. The ones who say, I will learn this. The ones who say, I already know this. The ones who say, let's see if I can learn anything from this guy. And finally, yeah right, waste of money. The first type of students are very enthusiastic students and very eager to learn. They take notes, study the information carefully and fully, and then use the information and concepts for school, the CPA exam, or their jobs. The second type are those who say that they already know this, they take the course and they say, oh, I know this, and then they request a refund. So take a look at the course, see if you know the concepts already, if it is even worth to take the course. The third type, well, I like to surprise these students with my work and the videos that I create, which are very engaging. I always welcome a good feedback and constructive criticism so I can even improve the course to make it even better. Unfortunately, there are people who will just buy the course and never use it, never learn anything from it, never play the videos, and just put it there. Please sit down, study, take notes. You will need this information whether you're a business major or whether you want to open your own business or even for your own finances and your own investments. You need this course. Okay folks, so we are ready to start. Let's begin with the course.